Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you how to remove and replace the ceiling dome light bulbs. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2016. Now this is actually very easy to do and all you need will be a flat screwdriver. So I will show you now. Right here you'll see like a small opening in which you can insert your flat screwdriver and gently try to pry this glass out. Okay, just like that. And now you will get access to each of the light bulbs. To remove the light bulb, all you have to do, just have to pull it straight out. Just like that. Now when you are installing a new light bulb, make sure you don't touch it with your fingers. This one is burned out, so I don't really care, but like I said, if you touch it around, then you might shorten its lifespan. To install a bulb back in, you pretty much just want to press it straight in. So when you have new bulb installed, what you want to do before you put back the cover, just maybe open the door to make sure that all the light bulbs are actually working. If they are, you can install back the cover, which I will now show you again how to do. So this cover here on one side will have this larger clip which is gonna attach just on this side, and then you will just push in the other side. This is the one we popped out previously. Okay, just like this, you see, and now all you have to do, you just have to clip it in. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.